YouTube!
Hands to this bitch if you gang bang. I don't give a fuck if we don't bang the same thing.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Marta, with another vlog. Time shit! What up, y'all? So, yeah. Gagawin ko na ulit yung ganang intro shit ko, y'all. I think mas okay pag yun yung intro ka, time shit. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Kakagising ko lang. Oh my God. Salary 12! What the hell? Salary 30, kakagising ko lang. What the fuck? You know what? Let me make me some rice. Oops, hindi ko makalimutan. Punasan ng ilalim. Turn on the radio, I'll turn you on. Should I still drink coffee? You know what, let me drink coffee. I'll turn you on, turn on the radio. Coffee, y'all. Good morning, twin. Oh, nice. Good afternoon. Kasi it's already 12:30. And then, nalagay ko na pala dito yung microwave. Y'all see that shit? The structured. That type shit? Yeah, I think that's type shit, y'all. And then tomorrow uuwi tayo ng Laguna, y'all. Cause tomorrow's my cousin's birthday. Yung pinsan kong bata, yeah, uuwi tayo. Di ko alam kung magko-commit ako or sasabay ako sa kamag-anak namin. But let's see, y'all. Oh. Let's see. Oh yeah, I need to wash my shit. Yeah, lalo ba kayo mga damit ko para yung iba iuwi ko sa Laguna type shit. Habang hinahantay natin maluto yung kanin, labanan natin yung mga damit ko, right? Let me know. Let me know. Mamarinitan natin ito saglit. Ito, dito yung mga white shirt ko. Dinabad ko na may sabon. Kasi may mancha. Pero hindi ko alam kung matatanggal siya dyan. But yeah, type shit siya. Ito, mamarinate ko rin yan. Dyan muna sila a little bit. Bata ka. Yeah, type shit. Hintayin ko lang pagkain ko maluto, right? Let me hand wash my shit a little bit, y'all. Y'all see this shit? Oh my god, there's a stain in my bitch. Wait. What the hell? What the hell? Mikochi ata queen. Likod. Babalikan na natin yan mamaya. Pagbalik ko dito sa bahay. But now, kakain muna ako ng lunch. And then yeah, type shit. I like girls who like girls. I like girls who like girls. Change so loud. I'm not now. Oh my god, baha, what the hell? We good, Lola's here. Today may isa pa tayo pupuntahan, yo. May kukunin tayong pagkain, dadalhin natin para bukas. Right? Type shit. We here, yo. We here. Kukunin lang natin yung embutido. And then we type shit. Yes. Tao pa. May order po ng embutido na. 20 pieces pa ata na.
Malaki.
Jollibee Gucci. Oh my God! After this, I think uwi na kami. Hatid ko na yung lolo ko sa bahay niya, tayo shit. And then yeah. How's our little she doing? How you doing? Okay. Okay, not bad though. We Gucci. Yeah, the smaller shit. What happened with my whites, y'all? Oh my god, check this out. What happened with my whites? You see that shit? What happened? Oh my god. That's why I hate whites. Oh my god. Oh my god. And yung isang t-shirt ko rin na binili sa H&M. Meron ding stain type shit. Then ito rin, meron ding stain. Y'all see that shit? Oh my god. Bumili pa naman ako ng tatlong white sa H&M. I think re-return ko yung tatlong white. Gagawin kong block na lang ulit art. Yeah, I think that's cool, yo. What happened with my little shit? Oh my god. Hey, Kochi, yo. My god, I hate whiteys. I hate whiteys. So annoying. Now, binababad ko ulit lahat ng white shit ko. Kaya... Oh my god, this shit worse. I don't know what happened, yo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagkamantsa. But yeah. I think pwede ko i-bleach yan pag white. Pwede ba yun? Oh my god, I don't know, yo. But yeah, bakit, yo? Nag-search na ako kung paano gagawin sa mga white shit. And then yeah. Fire shit, right? So nilabang ko ulit sila, yo. Yung mga white shirt ko. And yung iba, hindi natanggal. At most of them natanggal, yo. And I know kung saan ako nag-fuck up kanina, yo. Kung bakit siya nagkamansya, I already know. Let me dry this shit first. Nag-fuck up ako kanina, no? Meron ako tinanggal ng mancha sa isang t-shirt ko, diba? Nakita nyo kanina. And then, yung tinanggal ko naman siya, na tinanggal ko, nakababad siya sa sabon din. And then, yung sabon na ginamit ko sa pantanggal sa mancha na yon, sinalin ko pa dito kanina. Sinalin ko pa siya. Oh my god. So, yeah, din ako nag-fuck up. Kaya, nahaluan ng mancha lahat ng white shit. So, yeah, lesson learned, y'all. Lesson learned. Yeah, that's a lesson learned, y'all. Next na laban, tutry natin tanggalin yan, y'all. Okay, para try some bullshit. This is side, this is side. Let's see kung matanggal yun. I mean, let's see kung bumalik yung shit. Yung stain, ito yung stain na tinry natin tanggalin kanina. But yeah, meron pa rin siya, yung line. Kita niyo yan? But yeah, meron pa rin siyang stain. And nakahawa pa, what the hell? So yeah, I think we are, y'all. Check this out, y'all. Check this out. I think nawala naman na. But yeah, still, meron pa rin onte. Let's check this other tank. Alright, may onti pa rin. But ito try ko papatiin to next time, y'all. Not today, y'all. Not today. Ito yung shirt na binili ko kanina. Ito yung shirt na kakabili ko lang na nagkamantsa agad. Pero nawala naman, y'all. Nawala naman yung mancha niya. Meron pa ba? Yeah, nawala naman. Nawala naman yung mancha niya, y'all. Alright. So, Yabi Gucci. Pag-aaralan ko next time yung paano magtanggal ng mancha sa white shirt, right? Is it straight on that shit? Yeah, I think we're straight, y'all. We're straight.
Where your road at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out shit? You think they just rapping out shit? Where your road at?